Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iCloud mail to computer using iCloud for Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have iCloud for Windows installed on your computer. You can download it from the Apple website if you haven't installed it yet. Once installed, open iCloud for Windows by clicking on the application icon. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. After signing in, you will see a list of features. Check the box next to Mail to enable iCloud Mail access. Click on the Apply button to save your settings. Now, open the File Explorer on your computer. On the left sidebar, find and click on iCloud Drive. Locate the Mail folder within the iCloud Drive. Select the emails you want to back up. You can either drag and drop them to a local folder on your computer or right-click to copy. If you choose to copy, navigate to the desired location on your computer and paste the emails there. For a more comprehensive backup, consider exporting emails from your email client. Open the Mail app on your Windows computer. Set up your iCloud email account if you haven't done so yet. Once set up, you can select emails to back them up in a different format. Choose the emails you want to save, then use the export function. Follow the prompts to select the location for saving your exported files. After completing these steps, check your saved location to confirm all emails are backed up successfully. You have now successfully backed up your iCloud Mail to your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.